This is Odin's Wolf Survival. Today I'm testing the Zippo Typhoon match kit. I've seen these online and they were like $15, which is a little bit more than I wanted to pay. I ran across them at Walmart for $10 for this kit, which was meh, but I decided to give it a rip on here. We're going to see what it is. It says equipped for any forecast. This match kit is ready for any adventure. Its heavy-duty construction and sealed strike pad keep the Typhoon matches protected and in one piece. That's a bonus. Some of the other ones that I've just tested, their strike pads were out in the open. As soon as they're wet, they're done. O-ring sealed and threaded caps. Waterproof storage floats in water. That's another plus, because I can guarantee if there's water around, Murphy's going to make sure you're swimming in wet. Ergonomic design with textured grip, reusable ABS plastic construction. That ought to be damn tough. Integrated water resistant strike pad cap. Includes additional strike pads. That's definitely a bonus. Molded lanyard hole so you can tie it to your gear, which, trust me, at times that's extremely necessary. Alright. Typical on-the-box advertisement, built to last, easy ignition, emergency ready, pocket-sized, waterproof, windproof, and reusable. Okay, now that we got all that mess out of the way, let's get it out of this stupid box. Go, that's what I was after. Needless to say, as you can tell, the box is bigger than what the product is, which is normal. It says it burns up to 30 seconds. Again, the up to. Although these should actually burn the half a minute. We're gonna find out. Matt's shown the actual size. These are big beggars. These are the Typhoons. There's one other company I know that are making them this size, so let's see if they are a competitor or not. Okay, that looks like a solid tough. I like this. Sealed strike pad, I do like that. That's kind of handy. Alright, we'll get into it. More strike pads in there, it looks like. Nope. Okay, these are huge matches, and there are, looks like 15 in there. Alright, let's pull a couple out. And you have more propaganda. Actually, this is warning first aid, probably hot fire, do not touch, do not eat, blah blah blah. 1 year limited warranty, Typhoon match kit. Yeah, we got it going. Let's see. Sometimes these warnings are kind of funny. Supply fresh air after inhalation. Well, yeah, there's chemicals in there that they do stink. It'll get in your clothes. You'll be able to smell these for some days if you're not able to wash your stuff out. After swallowing, why you would eat this, I do not know. Rinse out mouth, drink plenty of water. Do not induce vomiting. Call medical help immediately. May be harmful if swallowed. I'm guessing probably so. Avoid eye contact. Remove contacts if worn. Yeah, that would suck. Okay, generally does not irritate skin, except if it's on fire, and then it'll irritate it greatly. Your typical blah blah blah. Okay, we got a couple of matches out. We're gonna see, we're gonna do a burn test. Seal it back up, pop the bottom off to where the striker's at. Well, they're blowing smoke about their 30-second burn time. Unless they're counting it still flaming, but I count the burn time for the head burning. And that wasn't 30 seconds. Not in this world. Although it did burn hot. I'll give it that because I could feel the heat on my hand. Okay, here we go again. It was obviously windproof because we got a good breeze going. Now, we don't have Typhoon type, but I'm sure it'll still burn. Get the head to where it's igniting it. Now it's going swimming. Stays burning. Lights up. Still burning. Alright, I'll give the waterproof bit too. Although it tends to burn a little slower after you get it wet. So in that case, it might actually make a 30-second burn. I can feel the heat being blown back on my fingers, so it's pretty hot. Now let's do another. We'll dip it first. Seemed to burn better after it was a little wet. So we're gonna dip one of them beggars right out of the gate and see if it'll burn. It's pretty wet. We'll have to dry the end off because otherwise it probably won't want to strike. Alright, that's fairly dry. Let's see what we got. Okay. That did burn. They do have a smell to them. I'll put the time on the video that it burned. But it looks like it burns better after they're wet. Which kind of stands to reason, because it's evaporating the water off and cooling it down a little bit, but it's still burning. But that is the Typhoon match kit. These, like I said, online they run at 15 bucks, I think it is. Wally Mart at 10. Damn good case. I'm not complaining about the case whatsoever. The matches, they burn good, but they're not as bad. I don't think they're quite up to their competitors' standards. These might be easier to find, but I can safely say if I had none, I would be happy with these.